Crypto for beginners, how this market works and how you can invest. Cryptocurrency, it's confusing. Why is everyone talking about bits and dogs? What's with all the memes? Why does your cousin's sister's nephew suddenly have a Lamborghini? All these questions and more will be answered in this Crypto for Beginners video. Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum are the trendy buzzwords fueling the crypto craze these days, and the cryptocurrency sector is developing at a rapid rate. Despite the fact that the crypto market is barely a decade old, it is attracting new investors who perceive it as a rapid way to profit. Cryptocurrency is a strange world. On the one hand, millionaires are created overnight, and firms raise billions of dollars without ever releasing a product. On the other hand, the majority of initiatives fail, and your money can be lost in a matter of seconds. But what is it? How does it all work, and more importantly, should you invest in it, and how? Given the extreme volatility of these digital coins, we will discuss everything you need to know before investing in the cryptocurrency market. So let's start right away. If you like videos about investing in cryptocurrencies, insurance, finance, loans, and mortgages, you'll love following the Money Trace channel. You can support us by hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we release new videos. Please also hit the like button if you find this content helpful, so that YouTube will spread our message to more people. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is similar to traditional currency, but it is entirely digital. Cryptocurrency comes in a variety of shapes, sizes, and purposes. It may be thought of as a type of stored value that is not controlled by governments or central institutions such as banks, states, or corporations. All records of its formation, as well as when it is delivered or received, are kept in a large digital book that anyone can read, ensuring that it is accurate. It is difficult to steal or seize, and it can be utilized anywhere on the planet. Cryptocurrencies allow you to lend, trade, purchase, and borrow money without using your real name, credit score, or even a bank. How cool is that? Some coins are used to exchange value in a currency like dollars at a lower cost and faster rate than credit or other traditional methods. This implies that sending Bitcoin, which can be turned into ordinary cash, is less expensive than sending a check or wire transfer. How does it work? Cryptocurrencies are not backed by a government or other central authority. Instead, they traverse a network of computers. It is shared peer-to-peer across the internet without the use of a middleman. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, which means that no government or bank controls how they are created, valued, or exchanged. Cryptography secures all crypto transactions, removing the need for a middleman and allowing you to act as your own bank with complete control over your funds. How can you store your cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is kept in a wallet, which you may access using your private key, which is the crypto equivalent of a super secure password. Keep in mind that the crypto owner cannot access the currency without the private key. A crypto wallet is a digital wallet that keeps the private keys that allow a user to receive and send cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. There are several sorts of crypto wallets available, each with its own set of security, dependability, and accessibility standards. What types of cryptocurrency exist? Bitcoin is the most well-known and discussed cryptocurrency, but it is not the only type of cryptocurrency available. Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot, Chainlink, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin are among the cryptocurrencies available. According to the CoinMarketCap website, there are currently over 6,000 coins in existence so far. Here at Money Trace, we've already done the heavy lifting and researched the best investment partners for you. Click on the link in the description to get to know the best cryptocurrency exchange we recommend for you, but don't forget to come back to the video for more important tips. How to buy cryptocurrency. The crypto market, like the stock market, has exchanges or brokers that act as facilitators. Binance, Coinbase, FTX, and KuCoin are some of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. Users must first create an account using their KYC credentials, then download the app and purchase any cryptocurrency they want. cryptocurrency may be bought in tiny amounts. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin, you don't have to buy the entire Bitcoin to get any. A tiny fraction of a Bitcoin can also be purchased. This holds true for all cryptocurrencies. How stable are cryptocurrencies? Bitcoin soared above $40,000 in January of last year. It hit an all-time high of $65,000 near the end of April, continuing its bull run. Then it plummeted in May, remaining below $30,000 for the whole of June. Prices soared once further, reaching an all-time high of $65,000 in November 2021. Bitcoin is now trading at an average price of $39,000 per coin at the time of this video. This demonstrates how volatile cryptocurrencies are. Speculation is the lifeblood of the Bitcoin market. Investors make speculative investments that result in a large inflow of cash or a large outflow of cash, resulting in significant volatility. What are the risks to using cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies are still in their infancy, and the market for them is quite volatile. Because cryptocurrencies do not require banks or any other third party to control them, they are often uninsured and difficult to convert into a kind of real cash, such as US dollars or euros. Furthermore, because cryptocurrencies are intangible assets based on technology, they may be hacked just like any other intangible technological asset. Finally, because you keep your cryptocurrencies in a digital wallet, you will lose your whole cryptocurrency investment if you lose your wallet or access to it. Follow these tips to protect your cryptocurrencies. 1. Look before you jump. Make sure you understand how a cryptocurrency works, whether the crypto you're buying is legitimate, where it can be used, and how to swap it. 2. Use a reputable wallet. Choosing the appropriate wallet for your requirements will demand some study on your behalf. 3. Just like you wouldn't carry $1 million in a paper bag, don't put your cryptocurrencies in an obscure or lesser-known wallet. You'll want to make sure you're using a reputable wallet. We love to create animated videos to help people like you. Hit subscribe and the bell icon to follow the Money Trace channel. By becoming a part of the Money Trace community, you won't miss our latest videos. One last tip, we've selected 2 other videos that will expand your knowledge even more. Enjoy!